Kublai pi baros ka thup khubor jangi ka dbmnTv. Kimat ki bakong san mentaka si kilong. Bam shyam kading pradukan hanong po. Jungo kadar sana ya ki Shillong than rendia hari boy. Dawa ka hito ban tokit ya ka jing siat yap ya uba running star. Ban haka kerdan ka basipau yo ka samla na Anderson nong stoy. Tementai ne phaj ki khubor ki bakham banya. Pratali ki dukan kila ingkong khat hadin ba ki thle ding ki bam du ekite ki dukan. Kani ka jing plu kala ja hakapor kenjat sha joka khandai tere jymmang kumba 8 baje AA hanong po Riboy district haki kenta badang lip line. Kita ki pratali ki dukan ki kenthop ki dukan de so ki dukan sha baja ki dukan de kwai kawe ki dukan de tiar snatiar yeng bat kamera ATM joka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank nongpo branch. Karkum ka jingya thu ki try dukan kading kala bam du ekidi ki dukan bat kala long ka jingdu ka bakrau ki try dukan na kani ka jingja. Kamera ATM machine joka Apex Bank kala julor malumala. La suba badon ki bathang dus mon ekini ki dukan na kanu ka daw dan batip ya menta kumni.
Coba bertanya halo ke jingni kerja kanu kuji kerja.
तो रात 2 बजे का से हम लोग मालूम हुआ तो सीआरपी लोग के मतलब वो लोग पहला पानी उनी मारा इसके बाद में हल्ला लग गया तो हम लोग घर से आए देखा पूरा घर अंदर में सब माल उल जला गया हमारा कौन जला दिया तो हम कोई आदमी के जला दिया ऐसा लगता है हमको नहीं मालूम।
ये कैसा जला मालूम नहीं?
वो तो रात में तो हम लोग मालूम नहीं 2 बजे का ऐसा आगुन लग गया करेंट भी नहीं है तो कैसा जला कोई आदमी लगा दिया हमको ऐसा दिमाग होता है।
आपको क्या सस्पेक्ट है आदमी जलाया ना खुद गया?
आदमी जलाया हमको ऐसा तो खाली इधर भी नहीं आगे में भी बैंक का सामने भी जलाया इधर में भी 2 जगह जलाया तो कोई दरख्त खाने वाला कोई खराब आदमी लोग जलाया ऐसा लगता हमको।
तो आपका सामान कितना लॉस हो गया?
हमका जैसा 4 लाख 5 लाख रुपये का सामान घर का अंदर में था तो जल गया सब पाइप क्या क्या।
तो क्या आप पुलिस में
अभी FIR करने जाएगा अभी पुलिस सब लोग आया नहीं अभी तक कभी बोला 10 बजे से आओ तलब में तो जाके FIR करेगा देखेगा क्या करता है।
तो माफी कुम्नु ट्राई दुकान बला jangan ni kerja pila matai kindia kumno kerja hakno kopor kerja
Tiura no kopor tak mayu singa kopor lai beje tu tangawan mare don ngu perlu kopun din tu kita ada pun tu dah wan ngau dah kalau nak dipayar kita pakai kulit nanti pada ni isi sopir dan sin si oto dah din tu pada tempat tinggi dan nonton tempat di kira pun pak dan nonton taruh di aero pun pak rem lain gut
Hilang batai kindia hato kumno kerja la kadi bagadon ka jing na po ni don bathang buru na ba
don bathang buru na ba
don bila kena kata don buru bathang na ba
kat no ka los try silakan
don barang susuman ni tidak kamar aksi menin saga dukan rodang dapsna
bila ada one file FIR police station
baruan kulit beri yang mana yang sawan oleh sem stamp baru live berapa jam tu
di bila lain
ni lain mana tambah betul lah
cepat kendur dah
tapi semua ni file FIR
mukli IFR tu
di try dukan bala satang ni ka por tidak ambatai anu kom ka ing ni ka dukan gitu
longim ban batai biya adu katangim la handai ba long ngamen step ong marsinya kitcha te itu lok jangan tiu jasulia te mut bulan sene de la pun oi perlok ong ba pilatin pati berne ke jinja dukan jongki yang balai iu ngom tang mut badai bara suwen tu dai pade ke ong der ba wantu kibriu la sha thang lom ta tengi hakapor bangi syua panlet ting la syaklut barakhat ngi ka syula ba donding rum don re I the rum don reng la panlet barakhat ka donding la ra sa yang nomor ban saja syulia te mar senya poi kom ta ong tengi ngol ngom ai ne jingja te mar tapat wan kini kila batai ong ka no baje la ja kumur kila itu hadin pade kila ong papor ba wan kiserpi kumur kila panlet ka ding tengi ring TBA kata hadin kata pade syai men step tu ong ngir ngedap ka ngom ong pun yakine ki perlok ken tekinir kilayuan de kacing du de kamdir ka baka jungiru namar ba kita bi mentah ke pertiram mentah de kitiar kitar ki teli ki Shillong ngadon hado sau teli ki kuteli ki perla namadon ki perlok ru ki bade tiar matan ki wanbu ki dukan junga ki perla kin i mentah ki don ki perla nang ta ki don ki Shillong batang ri hadiam de ki perlok ru te jungar ki don de tap de ki jumpu umur ki don ki yang ki pliang ki pila berkoi la donor tengir ngidap ra jososi ke bakrau te ak de por la dolong ka balak de ni kuat baka sarkar ka banyak ko mengo panlek ya kane ka badon kam namar ba kita ki jingluk ki jimsep jongi namar gilong ki baduk tepi ni wandi hang ne ngi belan pendap penpiang
Ka Union Minister jaka Sarkar India bapet jaka Railways but Textiles Darshana Jardo shaka khandai ter jymmang kalalit ban jurep bat jingo eki katu kane ki jaka than jan rendia bat ban yakundu yekinong than jan rendia ki badon hasnong umden bat Diwan Ribhoi district ki bala jutep ru kumka Airy Silk village of Meghalaya shaki wei ki jilla kari India Hagani ka singi ka Darshana kalalit ban jurep yaka Design Innovation Resources Center DIRC para tip kung ka zong hii bat ki wei ki shlem thirk sai rendia hakini ki shnong hakani ke jinglet jurep lasan ran lang do uba Meryl Bonds MLA nongpo uba Balajit Rani MDC nongpo u Arpit Upadhyaya Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District ki officer na katana textiles ki rangba bat kilong kume nakani ka than
They are the owners. Private players.
देखो अभी सुनो अभी कैसे मैट कैसे होगा उसका मतलब आप फीमेल तितलियां कैसे पकड़ेंगे वो समझा रहा है वो समझ में आया जब तक उसका मैटिंग नहीं होगा तब तक वो प्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा हाँ बताओ अभी
Actually this is a female moth egg laying conditions. This egg is in cluster. This egg is not found in the floor. That means gummy substances is there in the night time. This female moth egg lay, not daytime. But in our commercial purpose or basic seed purpose, 3 days we take the eggs. 3 nights. 3 night eggs. After 3 nights we have to collect these eggs and we have to release this moth.
में ही सरकार चल रही है लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सारी स्कीम ऐसी है जिसको इंटीग्रेट करना एक साथ में जुड़कर आगे बढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है मैं सभी बंदोपाध्याय जी और हमारी टीम जो हमारे साथ आई है हैंडलूम हैंडीक्राफ्ट के जो भी ऑफिसर्स उनको धन्यवाद दूंगी बहुत अच्छे से ट्रेनिंग हुआ है और अभी लेकिन बहुत कम हुआ है जो समर ट्रेनिंग जिसके ऊपर हमें पूरा आधार है और खास करके आने वाले दिनों में MSME जो छोटे छोटे पैमाने के ऊपर जो काम करने वाले लोग हैं इसके लिए बहुत बड़ी स्कीम आ रही है स्वनिधि योजना के तहत जिसमें पहली बार उन लोगों को 25,000 बाद में 50,000 1 लाख तक की रकम मिलेगी उनको एस्टैब्लिशमेंट के लिए तो ये 3-4 महीने के अंदर अगर हम लोग इसके लिए तैयार हो जाए समर ट्रेनिंग के माध्यम से डिजाइन के सोर्सेज इसके साथ में कार्ड बनाना तालीम लेना तालीम के साथ साथ में नयापन क्या चल रहा है इसके बारे में मास्टर ट्रेनर्स है अच्छे दिल्ली से जब हम लोग यहाँ से बाहर निकलकर बड़े बड़े शहर में दिल्ली मुंबई बेंगलोर जैसे शहर में जाएंगे जहाँ पे ये बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है
Kaseng hito penursla circle lengbau ba yar bok lang khongtani kala dawan ak Sarkar Jilla ban penlong ya kejing tokit ke babiang ban lap ki daw ki ba penlong ya ki BSF ban siat yap ya uba Running Star no kenri hakamet jaga santarik hakapor khatwei baje menmet harum kasnong mausun Uni unong yalam ka hito ula kentu ya Sarkar ban tokit ban ai kejing bishar ka bahok ya kejing syapen yap uni urang ba hakikti berki ketang suloi jong ki BSF
Nakaliang janga u incha jangka is ka sihil situ nga wan nga dap daga jing kemen ngayo banya dan rekat lang bat ka seng itu ba napo penursla dan lang rekat bagi presiden te ngayo banya kendo ya uni u in charge u second in charge u ba dan hang ni po penursla te ngayo ya kata ka khubor ka ba ong ba ulak kit kia te kata ka jingkit kia ka jong u unshim namar ba ya ke jingja ka baja ka tu ka sngi ka long ba u ki jingja ba long ba ya ka jat benriu kham tam la man la kapor kini ki BSF ki la tombor man la ki bordar te nre ke baja ni mentangi kwa ba kan num ja shu nang ni sakhamat ba la da ka nang don kan nu ka jingja te ngi kum ki khon samla ka dap ka men sim ka ba snusi bat ka dap ka men sim ka ba ngin poi sakanu ka thong ru ka ba ngin thong ya ka sangama mo Andre ke banga ngamun ban ong hakan kapo kalong ba nakaliang jong police department ngai tip akan sa sikit khia bat khamtam ngi yo nya kendu ki bahiang ba sam gi jong katuka yeng ka ba jai ni ka incident ten re ngila yo lut ke jing batai ke jong ki ten re ya ke ba ka ba na banta ka tu kalong yeng ngin sia le bat ngin sayat bat ngin sayai budien na banta ba in yo ya ka jing bisar ka ba hok bat khamtam in yo ya kata ka baha damanta dakila nakaliang jong sarkar khamtam kan yo ban ai daka kam ka jam ya itu ilong kumi khamtam ba in yo ban pit ya ka ya ki khon ki ti ya ka lawe ke jong ki te tangi tai HITO Peninsula Circle harangkat bat ka is khasil in charge su dalang ni te menang la yo ban lekedok ya ki long ying kiba jia ha santarik rai pesan arjar arpulai kaba we na long kpau la syasiat yap ha ki lai ngut ki BSF te hadin ka jinga kenduk jungi ngila yo bania keren bat kita ki long ying ha kaba kila penpau bat kila kenturu yang i kum kaseng bangin yai budin de nakaliang ke jongi ru kumbangi lakular yakin aduk pasdang perbangi dolang ha ketu jingja aduk ka mit santarik ke ngim klet bat ngi lek mene melek kenduk iki bat mentarung ngilawan sa ka police station ban budin ya ka FIR ka ba kila pha ha ketu keski de kani ka diga FIR ka ba ka jing budin ke jongi keseng ke kumbangi lai ba kila yo kem ya kitu ki laingut ki sipai bat ha din bangila yo iban ya syong bat i third OC jong kani ka Peninsula Police Station ni skau kumen ha halor bang yo skau bana kaliang jong i pentip sang i ba ka police station ka police department kala le ya ke badan kam bat kala trai borba ban benyo ya kata ka singsar hok ya kata ka jing bisar jing tian bisar hok ya kitu ki sipai ki bala sim ya ka jing im jong tu pa
Kawai ka samla puli commerce na school Anderson High Secondary School Upper New Nongston kala pas ka top 10 juga result HSSLC commerce kabla penbena dak embos mentaka step kani ka samla puli ka bakerteng ka dayai ri nongram ka khun jong uba CP bersan bat ka kong dayai hun nongram na kasnong mauklam nong pendeng West Khasi Hills karkum ka result balami kani ka samla kala rung ka kerdan ka basipau hapo ka top 10 bat kala yo distinction habaro handriu tili ki subject kala khur hadu south pa sapu nyau total marks bat kala yo he marks tam na baro haki subjects English khandai po ar marks but alternative English prapo ar marks
ni kong at ka dili chunga ram chukle ki mahing ro ki lai arab sibunya ha ko ba kadang prepare ka pastor ya cuma kila kal kila arab sibunya ha na kila ki arab kadang ki chunga ki don bet ka ba ki yat yang kan ki chunga hadu
Hakani ka kenti ka menta u arnab data laban Bangali Boys High Secondary School lawan hakli do haka first 10 position haka 12 science burpat saka St Edmunds St Anthony's Barkaram Krishna Mission Sora haki kerdan ba pher Urishap Pukaryasta laban Bangali Boys ulai yo eka kerdan ka ningkong haka first 10 haka commerce kiwei pat ki school ki ba bur ki kenthop eka St Anthony's Shillong Mausen Ram Border Area High Secondary School St Edmunds High Secondary School Alpha English School Nongpo batru ke Anderson High Secondary School Upper New Nongston haka science ka jing pas ki khna ka long hinyau pu pra point pra pu 100% naki lai hajar handris pa lai pu sangut ki baya khun layo iru ba ki jing pas ki kenthe ka khambun bane ki shenrang haka commerce ka jing pas ki khna ka long hinyo pu khandai point live hui percent haka ba ki kin thei kilale khambha bane ki shenrang na ki 8000 lai spa phrapu lai ngun ka Steffi Nera W Snaitang ka balawan haka position ka ba R haka science stream kat ba u Eliza Letep ulayo ka position ka ba khandai haka commerce stream.
Not easy to learn from the book, so teachers make it simpler way so that they can learn and remember more easily because time is very less. So in a short time they have to grab everything. So they depend on the notes of the teacher also, but not in all subjects. Say in science they have to follow the board work. Very important. Board work. Teacher deducts there, they see the steps and it keeps as a photograph in their memory. Give the lecture in the class just like college and talk to them. You are not small, you are now elderly person, so you have to listen, and after that we provide them with the questionnaires. These questionnaires will make them to talk with us, to talk with the teachers, and when they are feeling free with the teachers, they come and talk to the teacher, ask what they cannot follow in the class. Sometimes it may happen out of 65 students, all may not be able to come here to the teacher. So they feel shy also because I am not a very good student, I cannot go to the teacher. This system will break. 35 students appeared, regular, all passed, and from commerce 54 students appeared and 4 failed, so 50 passed.
Consistency is very important, and even I'll say the same. Maintaining consistency is very important. Like, you don't have to study 6 hours from the very beginning. You can just revise whatever is taught in the school, and then during the end of the year, during December, January, you can put the little extra effort. But again, I'll say that teachers are very, very important. I'll say.
It was something which I really struggled to overcome. I used to listen to songs, and then I used to play cricket. After the school, that whatever little time we got, just 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just let's play cricket, or just let's listen to song, or let's just having some discussion with friends, like not related to studies, just like that only, to relax my mind and those things. What I feel is that stress, it's a very natural thing. Whenever you're studying and all, you will naturally find stress, but in order to overcome that, I guess it's important not to overthink about what you'll be getting, like I need to get the first position, I need to get such percentage. Just do it and don't worry about the outcome.
CBSE books, because those questions in CBSE books are mostly tricky than as compared to NCERT.
Kam sampai hagaba kembos kelapan benaya ka HSLC jong ki class 12 jong ki science but ki commerce te sechisin bleu la ku ya ki jing trace tom ya jong ki kna but kam sampai ya ki institution bana ko ke por hadu mentau slam but hakini ki slam lu ni la long berbor ki ba kmat du jong ka results le mentau stem ya ki jing ku jong blei ni ki kna jing ki la le pha but ni la don kumba nyongot ki bayo rank holders na ki science stream nyongot na ki commerce ki kna ki ba yele ha ka commerce stream ki don kumba shispa prapnyo ki science stream ki don kumba shispa santurio ngot te na kini ni iba baro ki le pass bha ka science stream yo 98.0% and hagi commerce stream pat yo 97%. The overall ni iba ki kna jungi klai le ha but ka jing kublei ni kong ek sai sit ba nga tin jong blei ka ba shim na ka sam kandai pwe khat ka ba khat sao te ko on. The Lord will rescue all those who love him, and the Lord will protect all those who trust him, and the Lord will continue to be with them as long as they are faithful with him, and he will continue to pour his blessings and reward them for their faithfulness. Atrai gade gane hi gajing ikai jong ka institution jongi yaki khna lengkong e ha gajing ti bio ti play but barbor ni la ju ikai ki ru ha gajing kio ha ga akak kor ka buram te de ke jing yat bot but yat patho ke jong ki khna ke jing long tips ni ke jing ko sneng ke jong ki ke jing hikai ke jing bot din jong ki no hikai ki kli ki pa ngai trei lang kum ko ke team pada bang ya trei lang kum ko ke team ni met scam bang yo ya ta so babang batia ke sa shi sin nga ke jing ku ble ke baket pa ke khna ke da wara ke nam ko buram yo ble ya ki kli ki pa ki bahi ngasam ta kam ta me ke school jumi ai ke ble ya ke managing committee jong school ke managing body dari ba ke managing committee ke ba laju baik laju penyat adong shedong ke jing ndak biang hal lor ke development jong but ai ke jing ki infrastructure ke biang bebit nak bentar ki kena but kila pendon kampha ya kini ki bro but haba yu I ba ki pendon kampha kan no ke jing snow men nak bentar ni ki nok penyat haba yu I ba ki kena kila lep ha but sakway lu ke jing kuble ke pange ke de ke ya saki evening student ki kena ki bawan na ka long yeng long sam ki baduk ki bawan na ki nong kendong ki batreish ha ki pon step bala ki pon janmet ki bi opot wan school na do ars jeng hadu ri beji bat ki la lep ha ma ki ru la yo percentage ki babiang ha bat ka commerce stream le ngam chim la perkhat ba ki pass ba ba shpomot ki ya ka first batch to ki ya appear baro ki pass but arwot apdeng to ki yo first division we la yo likely ki distinction ke jing ko play kat pangu ya ki no hikai ki baikai ki evening section lamar evening section ke de ki kna ki ba yo ki low percentage ni shim la do ki ba live 100% ki bi yo live nyo ba has percentage today ba yo 100% ki evening section le wat ka taru ki le pass bha ba ha ko stream le ki la pass ba ka ba pi ba ka de first batch ba ki la ora yo ata result ba ka school ni ni ai ki le baro school le father vice principal ki be trela angkat ba father principal dan hak dia corporate commitment dedication juga nak kai la yo yang ni so bahwa ini syak jigman dan poi syak thong ban ni ai kit bokit biang kena bagani gede jing stang dan kong na ni skmat nang ya tor sisu da kata ke jing tray storm ke jing minot ke jing sya ke jing duai ke jing holiday ke senang job shushu ha ki benta prepare ke bang ki sai ko.
My name is Somit Arjuna and I am from the science stream. I secured the 5th rank. If the odds favor, then I'll try to pursue a career in software engineering, but if I don't get the chance to do that, then I'll keep the options open. One piece of advice I'd like to give would be not to overstress yourself with the burden of securing good marks, because if you try to study as much as you can and try to understand as much as you can, marks come along with it. I'd like to thank everyone who has been by my side since day one. My teachers, my parents, everybody, my tutors, everyone who has helped me till now. And I would like to credit them with my success that I have achieved today.
I'm also really very grateful to our teachers who keep us motivating, who always help us, never denied to help us. Whenever I used to text them, they never refused to help. So, and also I would like to thank my parents for bringing me here. And I'm also very grateful to my tuition teacher. He also helped me a lot. Feeling is inexplicable. I'm feeling very happy right now. I was not expecting this much. I was expecting good results, but not the second grade. I didn't study every day, to be honest, but I study 1 month before exam, daily, 2 hours daily. I am planning to become a CA. I will study in some Delhi University. Today I would like to congratulate all students who have got their results. I would like to say them all the best for their future endeavors. I would like to thank the school also for giving us such a pleasant studying environment. I would also like to thank our father principal for giving us the facilities to study and for the support that he gave us. And I am very grateful to our teachers. Because of them only I achieved this success today.
Good afternoon. I am Brother Agnolo Benjamin, Principal of St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School. Today, Meghalaya Board declared its results for Science and Commerce. And for us in St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School, it has been a very proud moment. we have 2 students of ours who have secured ranks. Steffi, who has secured the 2nd place in science, and the 9th place in commerce was secured by Eliezer. Both these students have been outstanding in their own ways. Students who worked hard both in class 11 and class 12. So we are happy that their dream has been fulfilled. These are students who have made us proud today. We hope and pray that they will continue to work hard in their future studies and bring laurels to their institution. It is also a proud moment for us teachers who work hard in class 11 and class 12 in grooming these students, in preparing these students for the board exam. There's a lot of hard work that goes in bringing students to a certain standard, to a certain level. So I would like to thank and congratulate all our teachers who have taught these students, teachers who have given that extra bit to them to help them. I also like to congratulate all our other students who have passed this exam. Many have got 1st class, 2nd class, and many have just passed. We are happy that all these students have done well. I also take this opportunity to wish these students, as they move on in their career of higher education, that they may continue to do well wherever they may be. 2023 has been a good year for us. We've secured the best results. Last year we did pretty well. We're also keeping in mind that a good number of these students went through schooling during the COVID time, and many of them would have missed out on classroom experience. But I would say that a lot of these students who came here for class 11 and 12 were able to rise to the occasion. They were able to work hard, including our teachers who worked hard with them and brought these students to a certain level, to a certain standard, and prepared them well for the board exam. Today, if we see good results, it's because of the hard work of all these students who kind of put aside their COVID experience, their experience in school, which was not very, let's say, which was not very positive because of COVID, but they have worked hard in 11 and 12, and today we feel proud of them. Yeah, in science we had 207 students appearing, and in commerce we had 81 students appearing. Today we were just doing some calculations. We've had 96% pass results.
Yo akan rank bukan lah. Yo rank ke bawah, ke science. Nah, so kementerian nomor dia lah jawab saya kerja dua johar. But besides that, ngai ibu ke tak hard work johar kalau be off. Hage sih sini lah saya dia yo shuti, dia trash bukan dah. Dam yo shuti dia tangan tu art kentai, mar namlapan ngadi beri bamju kistam, dia ngadi beri balawan tiamit, dia kata dia ke Shillong johar. Hapa bo kipen kre kijing e te kendan den rezim te kam di mo shusub be te kijing e kedan hapa bangal kre hot dan te ba mo te ke challenges kon so thu hamni hate tamba jadi ai beli pada la pan clarify ke te doubts te so be tuition ne tuition ki subject bangai high because chemistry but physics. Kalau PO chemistry, ke chemistry mayo 99, ke physics mayo 97. Jangan pada civil services, dia minta pada plan ban graduate track, teaching maths, BSc maths. Simultaneously, I'll be grooming myself for the civil service examination. ketangan happen discuss particulars. Okay, I could yang lingkong itu nak I play try juice untuk menjual nama sisa klaim kajing kajong kajing dan kajong kan malah bendan hai pengalang mentah but sisa bangayo results nasi masih baik belum show nama ngadi berubah melaran mana lagi per after the besides that I know ki pa kat kita pasha kita ka motivation jong ki yang aman ke pono judan melaban I mesti yang aku ba ai ki pa kidan hasna jong aman ke pol ti I know bende men para ki bahing asan judan ki jindwai ki parno per jong aro ki ba ki best sisa ti ya ke school has played a major role in this success. Brother Benjamin and all the teachers concerned. I like the primary school. Honestly, kapag mga pangkaya na ay ka 100% jangan. Di kaim jangan kadiba ng lebha. Di of course kaniba niyo rhyme madani. Tamamang judan any particular rhyme hakli. Second nam judan kata. Hanga kadiba. What really matters is to give my best. Di kata ito bayo second mentas niro akidit hi na makakampoy fakat.
Nakerting cuma Eliza hidup ngadai na Shampung Western Hills, but na yo 9 position kena ka HSSLC exam, stream commerce. Kalau ngatok dekat jenis dokumen, bah hadian bangaladesh, baka ngayo ka 9 position kena ka exam, ka kimi baru kinau kaya kunci. Ngaplan bang late sisi ya ka BBA kami Anthony nakwa panlong specialize ka marketing bang ayo iba ka technology kami kala improve pa pawan digital marketing kumba teacher kila hope dengan kila ang kila jumalin baru kila juang ngam la pan yo position ha board untar nada kata kala room bet hangan nada gas la expect kikenta tanga ngam cu calculate ngadoro ngacu kat bagas no bang kat bagas snow kaman sakaweru nga fokus pada quality banyak kenika quantity kamu kanta kecing eta agri subject tambah aku akan ongkowe kino ke subject tu ada pi learn hi basics dan kumsiam cing kalau
marks mak
rahe entrepreneurship ngayo 99 nangta hadian once account 94 business unta
tingki
amban sning ta ngam dala dhara nama ngap madan ta na struggle inspiration ngasum ta kumba experience sama ngasu tujuan bengaklam ben ngasu dan kambing mobile phone tu si advantage kini ke teknologi bahkan ni
nak kata kalian te ngam ju ai la hi bentre kam ngajudan hi kan ka jing berkat ya ka bangala hi bende hi kadang la bangale hi kadang la i bai krek kuat mengada ai kam kamut ngala tu dia ka por jeng hadin pang layo ni result la kendet hi ti rei kat kum kata kajing pet kata kajing trish tom chu ite tang kata hi mong ilayo ni ke mai la trish tom ti kami wi kawai bangadron ban ong ni ki pa kalong ba kawai ni haban lor ni ko ke ka baki kat kum kajing la jong ki ke mo ya kata kecing lah jungki ya kata ingin kersyam ingin support mungkin kami kepal
Tang
bangun lấy mau dalam dekat lembat ni ada kepal aku juga puncannya pengelio lepas ada exam ada kecil terang yang rumah terang kumbangan terangnya dokutan kual balan dan bila yuk aku nggak tak kecil kena aku punya I know ya ang nagkapuram na dito siya kino hikay ta nado ba nagito kino hikay ba nado bala hikay nado takat nado mga at kublay pangitiro pat kung sulit kami ka school ikini hikay jong kami ka school do ay kublay ka pangiti pagala lapan hikay tayo kung jong nga po siya ni katong nagacing trish tom jong ni kung jong nga wala po siya katong unjulay unjulay kita ketusyon do unjulay patusyo kembali ini apa nak? Ia naik betul betul dalam deh himan berkreasi kita kecil belajar.
Ka Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo Ribhoi District ka weni ki school ba pau bha hathem Ribhoi kelas 6 ya ka we ka samla puli ka bakerteng ka rakhi Kumari Rai ka khun jung Raju Rai ki ba shong basa ha ka snong mauro ka bala yo bat ka kerdan ka ba khandai ha ka commerce ha ka result bala penmi ha ka khandai tare ku jemang Kakong wanda hun bla principal kanika school keladap daka jinkmen baka jing sngau sarong baka nika school kala sei ya kanika samla batbet haki jing puli jongka ka kermen baki khana school jongka kinsa wan shakhmat haka result SSLC ka ban sapen bana haki tayo banwan
uri ni sngau sarong pakaliang bayi khana mangi ta yo kemungin ju kamyo na kania commerce kamta yo mani dona ka 9th position jo top 10 list jo embos mata snem ka common stream te ni sno ni aingo yo blay ni aingo ekini ni aku blay kini hikai kila kersian borba ki trace tom jumki oi ka resort jo commerce ka bha mata snem kina ki abon be pas bha ki marks ki score ki pas ki biang ba te kam tam ye ini Raki Kumari Rai ni snow tenat siwar ni aku blay jong i ki trace tom jum i bila ban boy kan ni position bat kunju iki kemi pa ki na kersian i am ta im la ban don hang ni school mai dang don sa Shillong te ban abi i ko long wisdom ndai ni aku blay ya ki no hikai ki ba trace tom bat nga syam hi ba kapor kan poi hi ba ni nang ni sakmat ni nang kam kiu ni nang kam don shuk ki kena ki ban don ki top list nomor ba ki kena ki dei ban nang kam su tu ba kin kam su tu ki jin don kam ki jin tracy tom ki jin pule ki jin yakop haki field of studies ba ki babun nomor ba nomor hakni ki pre yakop ini minumla ban shuk kenjem ki jin pule ti aku play ya i Raki Kumari Rai ya ki jin tracy tom juni kumjo ru ya ki no hikai se simpan kikme kikpa jong i nak bat ni ya kirmen maka ni ka jing poi jong i Raki Rai kan ni ka top 9th position kan I'm seeing ya kini kiwai pat kina ki pule mentah ki bidang pule kan I'm seeing ki no hikai ba kinum dok jikmen ba kin yo men sim kanang ba kinang pen slu shut manang pun ki kina ki ba la ban tristem ba ki bala ban poi jakma
te kumbang yo sngo mam ba haka commerce stream bidang bakadang datang first time mentah hadu kat no mam kadai ke jing sha halo
na kalian ke school ni nang yo top ifak hari boy kani the first time ni yo in the top 10 not top 9 position ndai ko mga kani kadai gentleman ba jing penslur tapi wagi kena nang yo ban police competition top shu bah kalau wagi nang yo shu bandan ki position baham jong ban wan rai kan nam ke kerteng jongki bat jong ke school bat jong kadong riwai bat
baka 1 class 11 hang ni hing lai thu ba dika khana ka star ha mde tanga khana ka star ka dika khana ka minat ha ka minat ha ki jing puli ki jong ka kan bat ka dika khana ka badan akor dan buram tai ka
ha school tharai kum no ilong ha class 8
ha class kita kan ka ladangi ai ki kumwa ki class work no ka bala ban pendem buat ka basutho ka basyong ka ba kaba ladang i batai dum sutho baka khna dari kaba sngap ha bat ka longkala ban sutho ke kaba ngi hikai ke telada ka don problem lu kawan me shakmat ladang i aki humo ki kelas work kaba ladep kloy
Badai kitu ki khubor ng lapoy sa bakun tarhado bangin daya syambiang kublay shibon.